Hi again and welcome back. In this video you'll see an aspect of trading that you rarely see on YouTube or anywhere else. Most mentors or people talking about trading online won't show you this side of trading, but I'd rather be completely transparent, completely open and let you see every part of the way that I trade. I'll get straight over to the charts. Okay, straight into the charts and showing you the one trade that I'm in at the moment is the pound Japanese yen. This late start has probably done me a bit of a favour really. The prices, all of this price action across the board, across pretty much all of the pairs. Price that was made throughout the Asian session was lost again throughout the London session, and there's just no real decent follow through or price action going on at the moment. So yeah, the GJ, one trade I've taken, got in there at 82, looking for further downside movement. Okay, I'll pause for now and I'll be back with an update soon. Well, that didn't last long. The pound's staying true to form all over the place. So that pound Japanese yen that I took initially, got stopped out on that minus 12 pips. Managed to get one more trade off. This is on the US dollar Japanese yen. Seen that come through an entry point. It's hovering around there, not looking too great at the moment, but we'll have to see. So I've taken this now. How long have we got left? 9 minutes. Just over 9 minutes left on this candle. See what this candle does, which will determine whether I have to punch out of this trade or whether I stay in it. Okay, so I'll pause for now and I'll be back if there's any updates, if I get out of this trade, if I stay with this trade, or if I take any more. I'll be back soon. And back with another update. The US dollar Japanese yen trade that I took didn't quite push out of an area that we were looking for, and so I had to punch out of that. A rule say you have to punch out, and so I punched out of that for minus 2 pips. Currently down 14 pips. And there doesn't seem to be a great deal happening right now, so just hope this price action picks up a little bit so that we can get in some trades, see some follow through and make some money from the markets today. Okay, I'll pause again. I'm in no trades at the moment, just scanning through these charts and seeing if there's any way in. Okay, I'll be back soon. Okay, back again. I've taken my orders off and I've flat the market. Took no more trades. I only took 2 trades today. There's just no moves at all really on the market. I mean, you can see pretty much everything was just going sideways. You can see it's just not going anywhere. Messy price action on the pound, Australian dollar, US dollar again. Just that sideways movement. Nothing really going on at all. And if we flick through these other pairs, you can see all pretty much the same. Even something like that looks like there was a bit of a move there, but when you measure that, you can see even from that high to that low, that's only 38 pips, 39 pips. Hardly any price action at all. So, like I say, 2 trades I took, and one of them stopped out, and the other one I punched out. So the first of these trades was the GJ. I took this as it came through an entry point just here, and you can see price just pulled back, and that gave me a full stop. Losing 12 pips on that one. And the US dollar Japanese yen, this one here I took on that little blue arrow there, and you can see that I punched out of this. Our criteria says if price doesn't reach a certain point or stay out of a certain point, when we take this type of trade, then we just punch out and we lose a few pips. I lost 2 pips on that. So that was it. The pound Japanese yen minus 12 pips, US dollar Japanese yen minus 2, giving me a net of minus 14 today. This is one of the most difficult parts of trading, putting up with days like this, ending up with a loss, just sitting there for 3-4 hours, nothing happening at all, and you, like I say, you just come out losing money. And so the lesson to be taken from this video is that we have to accept days like this, days when you're sitting around for 3 or 4 hours, price goes sideways, and after all of that time that you've put in, you end up coming away with a loss. It just has to be accepted. Okay, I'll close down now. If you enjoy these videos, please remember to click on subscribe down here somewhere. Click on the bell and you'll get notifications as and when I post these videos. And it does help get it out there to other people. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you again soon.